Bring me a soda from the fridge. There are 3 parts to this trick: opening the fridge, fetching the soda, and closing the fridge. We're actually going to teach the middle part first, fetching the soda from an open fridge. This is Boo. Boo is a golden retriever, and Boo is going to fetch a soda for us today. I like to put a foam can insulator on the soda to make it easier for the dog to grip. I'm going to start with a completely empty fridge and put the soda at a low height. Okay, Boo, can you fetch? Can you fetch soda? Go get it, fetch. Very good girl, nice job. Next, I'm going to close the door more so it's just slightly ajar. The dog may try and nose it open, but that's actually fine for now. Boo, can you fetch soda? Go fetch. Boo, fetch soda. Very good, good job, very nice. Now you might just want to put some thought into whether you want to teach this next step, because this next step is teaching your dog how to open your refrigerator. And once he knows the secret of the fridge, you may just have to put a padlock on to keep him out. Now we're going to make it a little harder by closing the fridge door entirely. I've tied a dish towel onto the handle to make it easier for the dog to open. We're going to kind of wiggle it and encourage the dog to get it, get it. Can you get it, get it, get it, get it? There you go. Get it. Keep trying. Very good. Very good. Can you fetch soda? Go on, fetch soda. Good girl. Very nice. To teach the dog to close the door when she's all done, come on over here. I'm going to hold a treat up a little higher than she can get. Hopefully when she goes for it, she'll end up closing the door. Very good. Put it all together and you've got an awesome trick. Let's recap. Start by having your dog fetch a soda from an open fridge. Next, close the fridge door slightly. Tie a dish towel to the refrigerator handle so your dog can pull the door open. Very good, very good. Can you fetch soda? Go and fetch soda. Good girl. Teach your dog to close the door by holding a treat above the door, causing him to slam it when he jumps for the treat. It's a bit of work to teach this entire trick, but it's time well spent, if for no other reason than to see the look on your friends' faces when you send your dog into the kitchen and he comes back with your soda.